What is happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? It's 9/9/2019, and you know what that means? That means September 12th is just 3 days away. That means you got 3 days to get your money off of Binance before Binance suspends, bans, blocks US users from using their platform. I've made a couple videos about this. I made one about a month ago. And as we're closing in on a date, I just wanted to make one final video kind of reminding everybody. It kind of blows my mind. Lately I haven't been paying too much attention to cryptocurrency, but every now and again, something will come across my. I'm signed up to a lot of the cryptocurrency subreddits on Reddit, and so like anytime something hits trending, it'll hit my Reddit dashboard, and I'm kind of surprised. Like every couple days, I see somebody like, "Oh shit, I'm just learning about this Binance thing," or like, what's the official date that Binance is cutting us off? It's September 12th. That means we got 3 days. It's kind of funny. I was just yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday I was over at my parents' house. It was my grandma's birthday, and my cousin was over there. And my cousin got into crypto, a couple years after me. Never got quite as into it, but he's got a decent amount of money in crypto. And so whenever we get together, he'll always, you still sitting on your stuff? And so he was telling me, last time I saw him, I was telling him, get your money off of Binance, get your money off any of these foreign exchanges that are going to be cutting off US users, primarily Binance. And he was telling me just within the past couple days, he logged on and got his money off Bittrex and also off of Binance. And I think Bittrex made him KYC. And I forget exactly, we were kind of quick casual conversation, but I'm pretty sure he told me he had some headaches with Binance. I'm not sure if they kept sending him some link that he couldn't get to verify it, or if maybe Binance made him KYC. I should have got a more clear story from him, but basically the gist of it was a pain in the butt getting his money off Bittrex and also Binance. We all know cryptocurrency best practices: don't keep your money on an exchange unless you're actively trading, and even then there's some risk involved. But especially, like, what's the point of leaving your money on an exchange that you can't even actively trade on? So I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but essentially Binance said that as of September 12th, US users, if you got money sitting on there, you can still leave it sitting on there. They tell you you'll still be able to withdraw it later, but you won't be able to deposit and you won't be able to actively trade. So what's the point of leaving money sitting on an exchange and kind of taking on that risk if it's an exchange that you can't even trade on? So Cardano seems to be the coin that most people are concerned with. Cardano has their own wallet. You can download it off their site. I was just looking around a little bit to see kind of like what options that you guys have. One of the kind of like multi-currency wallets that's kind of a familiar name that a lot of people use that does hold Cardano, like I think Exodus wallet doesn't hold Cardano. They hold a number of coins, but not Cardano. And Cardano, again, seems to be the one that most people are concerned with. So I was trying to find a wallet for you guys who don't want to mess. One of the things that's a big headache about crypto is like, okay, I need to download one hardware or one desktop wallet for Cardano, then I need another one for this coin, and I need another one for this coin. So, wallets like Exodus and Atomic and a lot of these other wallets that hold numerous currencies, it's a lot easier to use one of those. So you have one key, one wallet to manage. And I did see Atomic Wallet, which is, I don't know too much about it, although I know it gets kind of bantered around about one of the better wallets out there. Atomic Wallet does deal with Cardano as well as a number of other assets. Let me click here. Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Stellar, EOS, Tether, Cardano, Tron. Tron's another shitcoin that a lot of people are probably sitting on. Bitcoin, Neo, Ontology, Tezos, Zcash, Waves, VeChain, Lisk, Maker, OmiseGo, MobileGo, Dogecoin, 0x, Decreed, Qtum, Eternity, Zilliqa, Digitabyte, PundiX, PumaPay, Mithril, True, Gemini, Atomic Wallet Coin, Paxos, Augur, Golem. The list goes on and on and on. But Atomic Wallet seems to deal with a ton of coins. So if you're looking for one desktop wallet to manage to hold pretty much almost anything that you probably got sitting on Binance, I think this is the wallet to do it on. If anybody has anything bad to say about Atomic Wallet, go ahead and drop your comments down below. But one thing I've learned from BNB, okay, and the Atomic Wallet also has BNB coin as well. So if there's anything I've learned is when you're researching wallets or whatever else, You're going to see a bunch of people saying best wallet ever, most secure. I picked this one. I'm super knowledgeable about crypto. This is a good wallet. And you're going to see a bunch of people say, oh, well, there's a loophole in this one. There's, this one got hacked. There's a problem. So no matter what wallet you choose, you're going to find some people saying something negative about it. But Atomic Wallet, as far as I know, is a pretty decent wallet and seems to hold the most coins. So if you're looking for some place to move your Binance coins off, I think this would be the place. Not going to give anybody any advice in terms of what to do. It's up to you guys. But like, personally, I've dumped my altcoins, and I think we're going to see things. I think we're going to see altcoins continue to dump over the next 2 or 3 days, and maybe even thereafter. But especially over the next 2 to 3 days, as people start realizing the September 12th date is closing in upon us, and they can't figure out where to move their crypto to. They don't want to leave it sitting on Binance, and they're just going to sell it off, go to Bitcoin, and then move Bitcoin over to a hardware wallet or Coinbase or whatever else. I think we're going to see Bitcoin, along with whatever coins are most easily accessible on like the Geminis and the Coinbases and the Bitrexes. I think those coins might see some money flow into them. I think as people kind of sell off some of the shit coins that aren't going to be as tradable and kind of move into other coins, I think Bitcoin will see a little bit of a surge. But yeah, more than anything, guys, I just kind of wanted to give everybody a heads up. We got 3 days left, and if you look at it as like there's going to be a run on the bank leading up until the 12th, really tomorrow, Tuesday, September 10th, is going to be kind of really the last day up until Binance cutoff eve, if we want to call it that. Tomorrow is essentially going to be the last day before the last day. So I think we're going to see a lot of action start happening tomorrow with people pulling off money off of Binance. But keep in mind, the September 11th is Wednesday. That's going to be, the last day before September 12th. And whether people will be able to continue to withdraw on September 12th or not, I'm not sure if the 13th is if the 11th is the cutoff or it's actually going to be the 12th. But I just kind of anticipate headaches with this. I anticipate a lot of people are going to be trying to access the exchange. I wouldn't be surprised to see withdrawals get cut off for a couple days or at least a couple hours. I wouldn't be surprised, to see the website crash. If you want to get your money off, I would get it off sooner rather than later. And I've been telling people get your money off for months now. I think I had all my money off Binance by June or July. So that's all I really got to say. I would love to hear kind of what your guys' thoughts are. What you guys are planning to do. Have you already moved your money off of Binance? If you still got money sitting on Binance, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell your assets into Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and move them off the exchange? Or are you going to move them to another wallet? Are you one of the guys who's just going to leave the money sitting there and you're going to wait for Binance.us to open up and then move your money over there? Keep in mind that a lot of the coins that you're trading on Binance.com probably won't be available on Binance.us. I know Binance, I made a video about this. Binance released a list of like 30 coins that they were looking at bringing over to Binance.us. A lot of those coins I don't think are going to be allowed, BNB being one of them, but it'll be interesting to see how things shake out. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.